everyone, start off by taking some pines and then cut off the top of it. Cut off all of the excess portions of it using a pair of scissors and then leave the center. Now paint the outsides in red. This should make it look like a flower. Paint the center in yellow. Now take a white circular sheet of paper. At the bottom add some branches and then add some leaves. Stick your pine cones at the top of each of these leaves. At the bottom add some leaves to make the ground and then add a butterfly at the top. Now start off by tracing the shape of your hand by sticking out your pinky and your thumb finger. Then add the nose portion of the giraffe and then add the ears using some clay. You may also add the spots of the giraffe using some clay. Cut off the excess portions as shown in the video. Then add the eyes, a cute little nose and a cute little smile as well. Add the leaves at the bottom and on the top. Take multiple pista shells and then paint them in any color that you want. We have chosen to paint them in yellow. Now take some marker and then paint on a branch onto a sheet of paper. Then add some white clay to the center of each of the pista shells. Arrange it like you would grapes and then on the side make a small little bee out of it. Next, start off by taking some broccoli and then cut off the base of it. Then add the head of the sheep to it, add the legs as well as the tail and the eyes. Make multiple of these sheep standing in different positions. Add grass all over. Stick some leaves around. Next, start off by taking some tissue paper, cut it up into small squares and then fold each of these squares as such. After you have done this, cut it up into a leaf shape. Take some marker and then blot these tissue papers. Now, make a slit out of them and then stick them together. Take a green marker and then make stems out of it. Stick the top to the bottom. Take a small sheet of paper, wrap it up in a cylindrical shape. Add tape to it so that you can stick it onto a sheet of paper. We have chosen to do it on a sky blue circular sheet of paper. Next, take a strip of yellow paper and then make multiple rolls out of it. Do this in different colors. Stick it to the bottom as well. Now start off by taking some empty tissue paper rolls and then make a slit in 2 of them so far. As for this one, make it into a curved shape. Taking a marker, fill in all of the colors. Draw on the little beak as well and then draw heart shapes all over. You may draw multiple shapes for all of these and then stick them together as such at the bark after you are done with everything. Shade them using a crayon and then add some grass to each of their bases as such. Next, take multiple leaves and then we have decided to cut them into an ovular shape. Once you are done with this, stick it onto a white circular sheet of paper and then add what looks like a tail to it. Add the eyes and then at the bottom add the grass as well. For our next craft, take a white circular sheet of paper and then cut a leaf into this particular shape so that it looks like the top of a face. Add eyes to it as such and then add the arms as well. Add a very small cute little smiley face. Do this with another cat and then all around cut up cat shapes and then stick them together as such and then in the center draw a fish. Next, start off by drawing 2 ovular shapes on either side. Take some fruit foam net and then after adding glue, stick them all around. Spread them as needed and then at the base of each of them, add leaves as well. Next, take a yellow sheet of paper and then roughly tear it up into strips. Then, take some more paper and then add it as the branches. Draw on the bits of the bark. Then, take some green paper and then stick them all around your tree. While you are doing so, you may also add some flowers using different and multiple balls of clay. Add a bird at the top. Next, take some clay and then arrange it around any sort of circular object in the shape of a rainbow. Cut off the excess. Add 5 white balls of clay to the base of each of these rainbows. Add candy to the bottom. Thank you for watching.